Hello children, hope you all are safe and doing well at your place. I, Ms Sapna Dixit, welcome you all in class 4 EVS. Today we will continue our lesson number 19, our transport. But before we proceed further, let's have a quick recap what we have learnt in module 1. The use of means of transport depends upon the factors like distance, time and money. Roadways, railways, waterways and airways are main modes of transport. Roads which connect cities and towns are called highways, and there are two types of highways, National Highway and State Highway. Railways allow cheap travel over long distance. And Shatabdi Express is the fastest train in India. Let us begin with waterways. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. In India, water transport is very slow but very cheap, as it does not need the laying of any roads. Boats and ships are used to cross river and for fishing. Ships are used to carry people and goods in very huge quantities from one country to other. Huge boats with engines which carry passengers and goods to other countries are called ships. Cargo ships are used for transporting large quantities of goods like oil or bulk goods between countries. India has a huge number of rivers that are used for water transport. The coast have a number of important ports, namely Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Cochin, etc. There are 187 minor ports along the coastline of India. Next we have air transport or airways. Air transport is the fastest and the costliest means of transport in a country. Almost every part of India can be reached by airplanes now. All the important cities are connected by airways. It was started in India in 1911 and now it is widely used for long distance travel. There are special cargo planes which carry perishable goods like fruits, vegetables and flowers to far off places. Perishable goods means the things which you can't keep for a longer time. The Airport Authority of India manages all the domestic and international airports. The airline services provided by the government is Indian Airlines or Air India. Apart from this, there are many private airlines operating in a country like Go Air India. Helicopters. Helicopters are used for short distance. They are helpful in times of difficulties such as floods, earthquakes, epidemic, etc. Helicopters are used to rescue people during the times of natural or man-made disasters. Children, you might have heard about the Uttarakhand disaster, Uttarakhand floods and the Nepal earthquakes, where large number of people were died. During that emergency time, helicopters and army people were called off to rescue the people from the sites. Children, there is an activity for you. As you can see, there are different modes of transport: air transport, rail transport, road transport and water transport. You have to draw these modes of transport on the white sheet of your notebook or on a chart paper. Thank you children. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.